Well, the one thing that really killed me recently was Arab got sentenced to 45 years. He is 38 years old, I believe. So he's scheduled to get out at 80-something years old. And, I had that same lawyer, Mo Gangat, kind of break down his case. And what he said was really interesting. Because at the time of the sentencing, Arab had like a long range. It could be, let's say, from 15 to 45 years. What was the range? I don't remember what the exact number is, but it was a big range. And what Mo told me when going through the documents of the court, of the court proceedings, was when the judge was going through the process of the sentencing, at the very end, he pointed out that Arab had his arms crossed the whole time. He was rolling his eyes. He was like huffing whenever he would say something, whatever. And that gave the judge the excuse to give him the maximum amount of time, 45 years.
The judge, before he announces the sentence, says, "Young man, you've been sitting in my courtroom listening to the statements of the victims, listening to the prosecutor discuss your crimes, and the entire time you've had your hands folded like this. And the entire time you've been dismissive and jeering and snickering and scoffing. You don't look contrite. You don't look like you respect this process. I have the ability here today to give you a range of sentences. It could be anywhere from, here to 45. And what I'm going to do, based in part on your behavior in this courtroom today, in this sentencing hearing, which is a couple minutes, Vlad, a couple minutes in your life, a drop in the bucket. Based on your behavior here today, I'm giving you the max."
I mean, he said he blames the lawyer because he said if I was the lawyer and I saw, my client doing that as the judge is talking, I would ask for a recess, take my client outside and say, look, I know how you feel, but you need to just suck it up right now because this
right.
10 minutes might
that's
cost
for
you.
your lawyers. Before my trial, my lawyers told me do not slouch, do not look angry, do not, simple face. Your lawyers got to tell you that. Do not slouch. Do not, I don't care what go on. Do not, your lawyer's going to tell you that. Look presentable, look like I'm here on mistake. Your lawyers got to tell you that. You can't go in there slouching and rolling your eyes, that's real shit. That lawyer saying some real shit. That lawyer supposed to stop that and say, bro, look, you finna throw it all away, bro. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he said, look, it's 10 minutes of your life, but it could cost you 20 years. It's 10 minutes. Like, just do whatever you got to do during those 10 minutes. It's only 10 minutes. But, I mean, I guess Ab just felt a certain type of way being dragged through this all, and he had a snitch in his camp that basically told on everybody. And, going through all that, it just kind of fucked him up. And, I mean, that's what happened. And yeah, 45 years, man. 45 years. Yeah, I've interviewed him before multiple times.
I'll be appealing or something, bro. Like,
I hope so too.
When I saw that shit on Shade Room, I was like, damn, they hit him hard, like.
Yeah.
They hit him hard, bro. And it's a shame because, he should already know that the judicial system is racist. Like, it's a fact, and he's in federal court. They got people, go watch American Greed. They got people who take hundreds of millions from people and kill so many elderly people, take hundreds of millions and swindle them out money. I'm talking about, and they get 7-8 years, 4 years, rest probation. So you gotta know when you're African American, you gotta know what you're facing when you go in there. The odds are against you.
Yeah, I hope he appeals it, man. I really, really like the guy. I really, really like the guy. And then his man, Dark Low, got caught up with some witness tampering charge. And I think he's locked up over that. We had an interview with him that we ended up burying because the day we were supposed to put it out, the whole witness tampering shit happened, and then his manager called me. He's like, "Yo, can you not put that out?" And I'm like, "Yeah, absolutely." I said, "I do not want anything to happen, from an interview." So, yeah, man. So free Dark Low, free ARAB, man. I hope it works out for both them dudes, man. It's fucked up. It definitely fucked up my whole week. But yeah, they're still locked up.